My divine birthright is freedom and eternal goodness. Life gives according to my faith. I lift up my spirit and listen to the song of my soul. So let's use these words of power to encourage us and inspire us in affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. Let's say something that works for you, hold tight to that. Let's say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There's but one God, one mind, one power. That power is perfect love, it's divine intelligence. And that power is showing up in my life as my greater good. Here today, I turn loose and let go of every negativity. I turn loose and let go of every victimhood. I know I have come to life to experience all of God's goodness. And as I lift my eyes, Spirit rains down blessings upon me. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.